you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have BarkBox for April. Do you want to see what's inside and what toys she's going to be playing with? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Vienna's BarkBox just arrived. Yesterday she was playing a little too hard and like pulled a muscle, so she's been my little gimpy today and like limping, but her box is here. I don't have any other box to show you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and let her get in here, and if she feels like playing with them, she feels like playing with them. So I already cut the tape because she's always so nosy. So here is April's box, and let's look inside and see what it looks like. So that's what you see right on top, and it says, "What's the password, pal?" Do you have the password? Do you have the password to get in here? It's asking you for a password. I guess she doesn't have the damn password. So let's go ahead and see what is in here. How cute. It says, "Flight at the Squeak Easy. Shut down Treat Street. Wanted Bunny and Clydesdale." They just have the cutest packaging. I swear, the new themes every month are just the cutest. So it says, "His epic tale begins. Only in theaters, May 2020, Scoob." And it has Scooby snacks and Scooby toys. So is that going to be next month's box? It says, "Zoinks! Give a friend a free Scooby box. Your next box will be a Scooby too." And there's a promo code, but I don't know if that means next month is going to be Scooby themed. If so, that is super cute. But here are like the little things for next month. Super, super cute. So let's look and see, what do we have in here. So the first thing is a treat, and this is soft and chewy peanut butter carb stick. Peanut butter recipe dog treat. So she's gonna probably love peanut butter. Too bad it wasn't for me, because you know I love peanut butter, huh? Yes, you know I love peanut butter. And then, is this a martini glass? Oh my goodness, hold up. Is this a martini glass? Behind the Squeaks, multi-part toy. The squeaky cherry detaches from the fabric inside the glass, so you can garnish your pup's playtime. So it's like it looks like a martini glass, and then the ball, you heard that. And then the ball comes off, which is supposed to be a cherry. But she has like a little wine glass. Does this squeak? No? But there's a crinkle, and then there's that. That is super cute. Hi, that is super cute. You have a little wine glass, so I can drink my wine, and you can play with your little, your cherry cup. Yeah? You want to do that? You want to play with your cherry cup, and mommy will drink some wine? Yeah, I'll get some my juice and you can play with yours. Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Let me show them the other one. This one is so cute. It's like a little bowl or something. And this says Al Capone. Like Al Capone, but it's a pony. Al Capone. Oh my goodness. So it says, "Watch out. This crinkly crook is packing Squeak. Rumor has it, he's a good hoofer too." He's a good hoofer too. It does have a squeak in the body, and then it's a crinkle whole body. So here's this one. That is super, super cute. And then the treats for this month is the munch. You're gonna be munching on these is what I was thinking. So squeaky treats on the lamb rice dog treat. And then oinkahol. You got some oinkahol pork recipe dog treat with Spanish. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak. With spinach and carrot. So here are the two treats, and they're not clear, so I can't show you what they look like inside. And she has her other treats open. This one feels like it's a big square, and these feel like they're little small round things. So here's those two, and then so you can see the different, oh my gosh, how cute. So here are the different toys that would have been in this month's box. super, super cute. And I'm super glad that she got like the little martini glass. This little flapper, this little swan here is super cute. But oh my goodness, Flo the flapper, the great Catsby, it's a cat. Oh my gosh, Betty Boogler. It's like a little spider. That is just so cute. The gang's all here. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. So here's this guy. I gotta cut tags off and then I'll give them to her and then I'll show you how she's playing with them. And then here's this one. So we'll see which one she's gonna choose first and if she's gonna get this cherry out and just start throwing that around. So we'll see that in just a second. And then there's that toy or treat as well. So that is everything that came in her April BarkBox, you guys. If you want to see her play with them, I'll do it in just a second. But first, I'm going to let you know a little thing or two about BarkBox in case you do not know and you want to know pricing. They have a super chewer box as well. So if you have a dog that is a super chewer and is rough on toys, the super chewer box might be for them. They guarantee those toys. And if any of the super chewer toys get demolished, they replace them 100%, no questions asked. And that box is $39 a month. But if you do 6 months, it's $34. And if you do 12 months, it brings it to $29 a box. And again, if any toy is destroyed, they'll send you a new toy. You get 2 tough toys, always fluff free, 2 full-size bags of treats, and 2 meaty chews, always all natural. This box that I get her is the BarkBox. The BarkBox is $29 a month. If you do 6 months, it's $25 a month. And if you do 12 months, it's $22 a month. If your fur baby is not 100% happy with their BarkBox, we will work with you to make it right. And they do. Their customer service is the best out of any subscription box that I have ever received. And at first I started with the Super Chewer because she's very, very tough on her toys. And then I got a hold of them and they would switch one out with the regular one Super Chewer, but the Super Chewer was just too super chewy for her. So I went just straight to the BarkBox, but they were super helpful. They were willing to help me, customize it and get it right that, would be good for her. So their customer service is definitely spot on. I have them linked down below. You could definitely check them out. And every BarkBox has at least 2 innovative toys, 2 natural bags of treats, and a chew. And some of their toys that they send, they're like a twofer. When they break open the outside, there's a new toy inside. Genius. So then if she does that and she gets a new toy inside, she acts like she has a new toy all over again. She doesn't realize it's been there the whole time. So she gets fooled. But I love that they do that because if she cuts through the outside, there's another one waiting inside. And that's not on all of them, but that is on quite a few of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her down and let her play. So if you wanna see which toy she chooses, here you go. Okay, so let's see which one she plays with first. That's my girl, get that martini glass. Oh, hey, your ball fell out. Hey, you lost your ball. Where's your cherry? Hey, where's your cherry? No? Tell it how you really feel. Okay. Can I see your cherry? Oh, thank you very much. Good catch. Oh, thank you. Oh. Okay, you guys, so that is her playing with her new toys, and soon she's going to be enjoying her new treats. It's just she has a couple, I think last month are still open. She still has some from last month. I try not to give her too many treats because I feel like she's getting a little overweight, especially for her age, being almost 10 years old. I need to kind of get some of this weight off of her to help the longevity of her and help like her back and everything. And I am going to be switching her food to like an all natural, like real food, fresh food, cooked like food from one of the subscription boxes. So if you guys do want to know how she does with that and what my thoughts are when I get that in, let me know and I'll do an unboxing of it and I'll do a review with that as well. But I cannot wait to start her on natural food to see if that does help her. Like I said, she's almost 10, so anything that I can do to help her live as long as she can and be as healthy as she can, I'm gonna do it. So I already ordered it and it's gonna be another week or two until it comes in. So again, if you do want to know about it, I'll unbox it and then I'll give it to her for a few weeks and then do a final review and everything like that for you guys. So just let me know. So that is everything that we have for you today. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this box. What did you think of this theme? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and we will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew and Vienna out.